When it comes to survey instrument accessory dealers in Dadri, Noida, Scon Design is the name that stands out from the rest. With their reputation for providing high-quality products and exceptional customer service, Scon Design has become one of the leading dealers in the region. They specialize in offering a wide range of survey instrument accessories to customers in the Dadri area of Noida. Whether you are a professional surveyor or a DIY enthusiast, Scon Design understands the importance of having reliable and accurate survey instrument accessories to ensure accurate measurements and precise results. Scon Design takes pride in offering a diverse selection of survey instrument accessories to cater to the needs of their customers. From tripods and leveling rods to prism poles and targets, they have everything you need to complete your surveying projects with ease. Their products are made from high-quality materials that are built to withstand the rigors of the field. Whether you are working in challenging terrain or adverse weather conditions, you can trust that Scon Design's accessories will not let you down. What sets Scon Design apart from other survey instrument accessory dealers is their commitment to customer service. They understand that every customer has unique requirements and preferences, and they strive to provide personalized assistance to ensure customer satisfaction. Their knowledgeable and friendly staff are always ready to help you find the right accessories for your specific needs. Whether you have a question about a product or need guidance on how to use it effectively, Scon Design's team is there to provide expert advice and support. In addition to their extensive range of products and excellent customer service, Scon Design also offers competitive prices. They believe that high-quality survey instrument accessories should be accessible to everyone, regardless of their budget. Scon Design separates apart from the competition among survey instrument accessories dealers in Dadri, Noida. Scon Design has established a reputation for offering superior products and outstanding customer service, making them one of the top dealers in the area. They specialize in providing consumers in the Dadri neighborhood of Noida with a large selection of survey equipment accessories. Scon Design is aware of the value of having dependable and accurate survey equipment accessories to ensure precise measurements and outcomes, whether you are a professional surveyor or a DIY enthusiast. To meet their clients' needs, Scon Design takes pride in providing a wide range of survey equipment accessories. They provide everything you need, from prism poles and targets to tripods and leveling rods, to easily finish your surveying jobs. Their goods are constructed with premium materials that can resist the demands of the industry. You can rely on Scon Design's accessories to not let you down when operating in difficult terrain or inclement weather. Scon Design's dedication to providing excellent customer service sets them apart from other survey instrument accessory retailers. They are aware that each customer has particular needs and preferences, and they work hard to meet these needs by offering individualized support.